is 15 October. It is a dreary day. It's been sprinkling most all morning, and the temperature has dropped considerably. I guess it's about normal for 15 October, but I wanted to do some updates in October, at least a mid-October update with you guys, and just show you, how many peppers are hanging on these plants. It is insane. I mean, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of peppers. These will turn red, as you can see. I normally pick them when they're orange because they're just as dadgum hot when they're orange as they are when they're red. They're just everywhere. I'm really pleased with the habaneros, and I probably should have just abandoned this avocado here. I've tried to cut a gap out in between all these so it can get some sunlight, but it's just not going to be able to get enough. But most every plant, no matter how big, has peppers on it, and that's just great. I've been composting in the pot that they're in, or close to the plants if they're not in pots. The tomatoes are pretty pathetic because I started them so late. Started them at the end of June, 19 June, the whole thing was started. Some of these plants aren't even that old, and they're doing fantastic. Papaya are everywhere. This is papaya. And these peppers don't really make it, obviously. It's too late. But and more than likely the papaya aren't. But the avocados, I'm telling you, there's no need in putting an avocado seed in a glass of water and waiting for it to take root. Just stick it in the ground. Just dig a little hole, put it in the ground. There's no science to it. It's just a seed like everything else. Check this dude out here. And I think this is one of those peppers from the grocery store. I went to the store one day and just picked up some stuff just to see if I could make it grow. And I believe that's what that is. This is going to be a different variety of pepper, and I don't know what that is. None of these have been picked yet. They're all still now there's one that's getting ready, probably ready in a few days. I don't think I pulled any off here yet. That one will probably come off to there tomorrow. These, I believe, are ghost pepper. It's the only plant I've got that's making peppers that look like that. Just unbelievable. It's just, these things are leaning over. They're so heavy with peppers. Even the little plants, just loaded down. More papaya. That's my avocado in a gas can. I drilled holes in the sides toward the bottom. The hummingbirds like that plant there. More peppers. Just everywhere. Pepper, pepper, pepper. The Tabasco has been a consistent performer since the day I brought it home. And there's the best looking papaya there. And it's even got new growth on it. So all these are now avocado pits. I just planted those a week or two ago. Won't be long probably before they come up. Peppers, peppers, peppers. And all I do is throw those in the dehydrator. Dry them out for a day or two, and then put them in a coffee grinder and grind them up, and that's how I use my peppers. They're too hot to eat any other way. And as far as I'm concerned anyway, that's a good looking avocado. Another good looking avocado. And more papaya. There's probably, every time I try to count them I find more, so I quit counting. Because the other day I was over here looking at peppers and I'm like, well, what the heck is that? And there's another avocado coming up in the middle here. So, doing really well, really well. But that's it, just a few tomatoes. I'm going to pick some tomatoes and peppers here. I think picking these peppers when they're orange instead of waiting until they're red is helping the plants, because it's, like I said, it's 15 October. There's not a lot of time left, and there's a lot of peppers that have to be given some energy to ripen yet. So if I can lighten the load and give that plant some energy to focus on getting these green ones to turn, then I'll be better off in the end, I believe. Alright, well that's it for now, 15 October. Thanks for watching. There's today's haul, 147 peppers. That is one hot container.